Here at the Whirlpool booth at CES 2019, we're taking a look at their new smart front-load washer and dryer. So some things look the same from washers and dryers of days past from Whirlpool, but some things are different. One thing that I really like is the integrated touch display on both of the models. So this is the companion washer and dryer unit. And for the washer, they've also incorporated the load and go system. So that basically means that your laundry detergent is already inside in a larger tank so that you don't have to constantly pour detergent in, and it just automatically dispenses the correct amount for you. They've also updated the app. So there's a new enhanced stain guide so that if you spill spaghetti sauce on your shirt or mustard or some other kind of horrible, difficult to remove stain, this guide is supposed to help you through it. It also asks you for the actual fabric. So if you have silk or wool or cotton, what kind of poly blend it is, and it's supposed to give you a customized guide basically to how to treat the stain the most effectively. So these models are pretty pricey. They're going to cost around $1,500 each, and they're due out later this year. But one thing I'm also really excited about is the Alexa integration. So it's already worked with Alexa in the past, but you had to use the invocation term ask Whirlpool to do something. Now you can just say, hey Alexa, what's the status of my washer?